Sergey and I work for ABTesty since 2015. I'm currently VP Data and Infrastructure. Essentially, I manage a team that works on all data processing and infrastructure aspects of our company. ABTesty is a SaaS platform which allows you to personalize and A/B test your website. We developed a new product, Flagship, which is a feature management platform. Instead of big bang deployments, Flagship enables progressive deployment with KPI-triggered rollbacks, targeting keys, and on-off feature toggles, answering in average of 45 milliseconds, and puts the power in the hands of DevOps, engineers, product, and tech teams to ensure small bugs do not have big negative impacts. Latency is a key for our customers as it has a direct impact on their application or website load times. Hence, why we choose to deploy our stack in 11 AWS regions over the world, close to the end users. End users are routed to the closed regions thanks to Amazon Route 53 geo-routing capabilities. In each region, we have an API endpoint with a backend and database using AWS technologies to handle both scaling and multi-region changes. Because of the very nature of our business, we experienced large peaks in API requests. Amazon API Gateway is the entry point of our stack, and we benefit from its automatic scaling capabilities to handle thousands of requests per second. Backend is based on AWS Lambda, performing reads and write to the database. AWS Lambda scales automatically alongside API Gateway and without the need for us to manage it. On the database side, we use Amazon DynamoDB and especially global tables to handle multi-region data management. Internally, we also synchronize our SQL database, Amazon Aurora, to DynamoDB global tables, leveraging Lambda triggers on database changes. The latency between Lambda and DynamoDB is less than 5 milliseconds. The longest Lambda execution time is 20 milliseconds, and the average time is 7 milliseconds. When possible, we implement asynchronous processing with SQS queues to limit the impact on latency. So the average latency of the API call is 45 milliseconds, but sometimes P95 can be around 100 milliseconds. It can be explained by other factors like the quality of visitors' internet connection, for example, mobile network usage. The biggest overhead we are working on right now is on the SSL DNS part. And now I want to focus on the deployment process. So core component deployment such as network, database, or security is made with Terraform. And per region infrastructure deployment such as Lambdas, API gateways, queues, and specific roles is made via serverless framework. So we did proof of concept on 3 different cloud providers. AWS appeared to be the most suitable for our use case. AWS allowed us to deploy new regions in less than 1 hour. We also like it that with the price of empty infrastructure, without the clients close to zero. You only pay if clients connect and use the platform. And also we received great support from AWS when we had technical questions.
AWS pioneered the event-driven serverless computing space with the launch of AWS Lambda back in 2014. There are now hundreds of thousands of customers running AWS Lambda. When you think about it, it's kind of astonishing. Today, AWS proposes tens of serverless services for compute, data storage, and application integration. What does that mean for you as a startup? With serverless, you have less to do. Serverless is designed to be secure, highly available, highly scalable. You never pay for over-provisioning, and your resource utilization is optimized on your behalf. You can focus on your ideas, your key differentiators, not the undifferentiated heavy lifting. You can iterate faster, which means you can base your developments on customer feedback, leading to better products and happier customers. You can get familiar with serverless with one of our hands-on labs, or you can attend one of our events. And if you want to dive deep, AWS offers a one-stop shop named Serverless Land.